Good morning, good morning. Ayan, naglalakad-lakad kami ngayon ng mga bata. Ayan si Kungkung at saka si Inday. Ayan. Ang ganda dito. So dito ako naglalakad-lakad everyday pag nasa school sila. Wow, there's an autumn leaves, my love. So cute.
Look like an umbrella to me. Can I set the other?
Yeah.
Oh.
How are you? Ito yung bata ayaw maglakad-lakad. Exercise, okay? So, ayan. Pagod na po sila. Ayaw naman lumaglakad. What's that, my love?
Autumn leaf.
Wow, so nice.